Hello everyone, today I'm going to create a new tutorial about importing a custom mesh with textures to Skyrim because someone asked me to make it. This time I'm going to be using Blender. It's a free 3D program, so you can use it. I've already opened up Blender, I've already opened up Skyrim Creation Kit. The only things that I didn't open up yet are NifSkope. I'm going to show you that later on. First things first, we're going to delete everything in Blender. So press A, press X and delete. To create something new, press Shift A, mesh, and we're going to be creating a cylinder. We're going to be rotating it on the y-axis 90 degrees, and we're going to be selecting we're going to loop select it to inset. We're going to move it a little in to create some kind of an edge, and loop select this side. We're going to make it a bit smaller, so that way we have a bit of a simple barrel. What we're going to do else is we're going to select everything in edit mode and face, triangulate faces. Then we want to go to UV editing. As you can see, we already have our UV map here. This is done automatically, so it's good enough for me at the moment. We want a new image entitled custom texture. Let's see here. Let's see. Image texture paint. Yes, there we are. I'm going to create a missing materials, textures detected. No texture, we want a base color. Now let's paint it a little. This is a very minimal guide on painting or texturing. You can add a you can use images. And you can use let's paint on it. Gonna make the brush a bit smaller so that we have the whole area. Now we have the whole area, and what we're gonna do next is we're going back to the modeling section, and we're going to press on File, Export as a wavefront object, and I'm going to put it on my desktop. Custom mesh 2.oba, export, let me see if we have the texture. Can we export, save all images? Use file from current directory, write file to error create file, custom texture. Let's see. We have our desktop. And yeah, I guess it's fine for now. I'll show you how to import a different texture from the game. So let's open up, and we don't want to save it. Let's open up NifSkope. I'm using an older version of NifSkope. First things first, we're going to options, settings, and I'm going to go to resources, add the data pod to your pod, and add the files, the BASI files. Then I want to open up a mesh. Let's open up a barrel. We're going to open up barrel 2. Open up. That's a beautiful barrel. Now let's see. For some reason I can't import. That's strange because that's what we do need. Let's see if I can grab an older version. NifSkope. Releases, NifTools, NifSkope. Not the newest one. We're going to be using this one. Windows.exe. Browse. Install. Next. Finish. We'll be closing this one for now, and we'll be opening up the older one. Very old one. You can go to File, Resource Files. You can go to Add, and as you can see, we have to add BSA files. So let's do that real quick. Go to this program files, Steam apps, common Skyrim data, and let's load the textures. And that's fine for now, I think. Let's load a mesh that we exported. I'm going to quickly grab a mesh. Go to clutter, barrel 02. Now, as you can see, the textures work. We loaded up the barrel. Now what we want to do is we want to import our custom mesh. So select the anti-shape, file, import, import obj, anti-shape selected. The first imported mesh will replace the select one. That's fine for now. We had it on our desktop. Custom mesh 2, open up. As you can see, we have our custom mesh. The UV editing is done very poorly. So I hope you know how to UV map. I'm not going to show that at the moment. But as you can see down below, we have the BS lighting shaded property. And the BS shaded texture check. We have our textures here. In DDS files, we might want to add different ones. So let's add a different texture. I hope I extracted those. No, I haven't. Let's extract those really quick using the BSA archive extractor. So I'm going to quickly go to that. Skyrim modeling tools. Open up, file, open file. And then we want to go to our Skyrim data folder. Steam apps, Skyrim data. And we want to open up our textures.bsa, open up. And as you can see, we can export our textures, extract to Skyrim. Let's extract it for a little while. So once that is done, I'm going to check my phone real quick. And once those are completed, I'm going to use a different texture for our custom barrel. So let's wait a few seconds. Yes, those are extracted. You can now close this program, close this window, and when you press the little flower icon, you can choose a different texture. So we're going to go to clutter, and what if we would want let's do firewood for now. Open it up. Looks very strange, but for now it does the job. We want the normal map as well. Does the job for now. And basically that's how it's done. How you make your custom object through NifSkope. So we're going to File, Save As, and inside our meshes, I'm going to use custom barrel.nif save. So we save this one now. Let's head over to the creation kit. First go to File, Data, and you open up Skyrim.esm and press OK. It's going to load every data. We had a barrel, so I'm going to search for barrel or not. Let's see, can we find... Yes, we have a barrel here, so we're going to be duplicating this one. Go to quickly create it. We have this duplicate, so double press and change it. We want this to be barrel 01 model we're going to change this one to our custom NIF file. So edit, this PC, Windows C, home, project, Skyrim modding, Skyrim meshes, clutter. Let me find the custom barrel.nif, open up invalid directory. I guess those files need to be in the data file. So let's move those real quick. Projects, Skyrim modding. Copy them. SPC, Windows C, program files, Steam apps, common, Skyrim, data, and place them here. It's gonna take a while. I hope that's going to work. If not, I have no clue what's going wrong. So let's wait a few more seconds. It's going pretty fast, to be honest. And it's actually been a while that I've done modding for Skyrim. The last time I've modded for Skyrim was about 3 years ago, 2 years ago. Not exactly sure how long it's been exactly, but you can say that I've quit 3D for some time. I wasn't really sure if I needed to go back into it, but I guess people do need it's not turning visible. Now it is. As you can see, the textures work. I know that these textures are not the ones that you'll be using, but that's fine. Let's press on OK. Yes, create new form. CM barrel. Yes, that's okay. In cell view, we're going to search for Whiterun. Whiterun world. Whiterun origin. Where? Yes. I want to have the I don't want the wild, I want in the city. Let's see if we can let's see here. We are now currently where is that? Let's head to the main gate. Let's add our custom barrel to those barrels. So CM barrel, find it, drag and drop it. Could not queue model. Yes. not find model. That's clutter. That's very strange. Alternate textures. That is very strange. Because first you load it up. So let me see if I can duplicate it again, and if I can cm barrel 2 and edit. Open it up, marker editor, select form, that's very strange. Let's see if I can fix the error by creating a custom texture set. Normally, I'm going to create a new texture set, cm barrel, edit, textures. We used the firewood, and let's open up the DDS and the normal /class, add image, firewood. Press OK. cm barrel, yes. Edit, reference editor ID cm barrel 01. That won't be needed actually. Edit base, edit, marker editor, new texture, filter cm barrel, press OK, press OK. Delete selected object, filter again, cm barrel in all. Edit, see. Net immerse models. That is very strange. I'm deleting the ID CM barrel 02 CM barrel. Let's change it. Edit CM custom barrel. Open it up. It's giving me a error right at start for now. Which would be very strange because file. Let's load it up again. Select the file. Let's try it again. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. So it's loaded up again. You again want the barrel static. I'm going to be using CM. Change those one. I might have fixed the problem. Meshes, clutter, rename it to clutter with a capital, as I can see here. So edit. We want to be the meshes clutter. Done. Custom barrel 01. Press OK. Now the textures work. I hope they continue working. You've changed the forms editor ID. New ID. Yes, create new form. Let's open up Whiterun. Whiterun world. Texture, could not queue texture. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, good. Yes, 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 yes. All right. So let's change the location. As I said, next I want the barrels to be here. Can I read? Let's see if it still works. It still works so far. So I guess that was the problem. Let's say OK. I don't. Let's drag and drop. It's a bit small. Edit. Can we change the scale to, let's say, 10? That's a bit bigger. Oh, what if we Let's see. There's a CM barrel. Edit. Let's see if when we're going to save it. It's fine for now. I'm not going to create a mod, so in the Skyrim data, cm barrel.esp save. It's been saved, and so let me open up our Steam. Let me go to my library, Skyrim script extender, and press play. I've been playing Skyrim for the past, as you can see, CM barrel ESP is loaded. So play. I've been playing Skyrim for the past few years. Normally, so natural, without any mods, and it's been quite fun actually. I've always played Skyrim with mods for as long as I can remember, but right now I'm playing it naturally. So once it's loaded, let me go to Whiterun. Let's see, map, Whiterun, fast travel, and as you can see, the custom object works with a texture. Yeah, so that's it. It has a doesn't have a bounding box. You can jump through it, but it was about importing a custom object with textures, and that's how you do it. We'll leave a link to everything in the description. Which version of NifSkope I'm using, the PSA extractor, Blender, and all that kind of stuff. But as you can see, we have a very small barrel, but it's fine. It works. The texture works, and I hope you learned how to create it for yourself. Good luck with modding.